Adjectives. Okay, so what is the meaning of adjectives? Adjectives is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to describe its types, place, number, or amount. It is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so that is the adjective. Adjective is a word which describe noun or pronoun. Okay, so see example, Raju is a weak student. So here there is an example, and yes, and there is a word weak. Okay, which is which is telling about the, yes, how is Raju. Yes, how is Raju? So Raju is weak students. Okay, how is Raju? Then Raju is weak. Yes, we are getting the answer, that is weak. Okay, so weak is the adjective which is described to the Raju. How is he? Okay, now see second boy. Now see second example. A weak boy failed in the exam. Which boy? Weak boy. How is the boy? The boy is weak. Okay, so the weak word is describing about the boy, okay, who failed in the exam. Okay, so these words are the adjective which is describing about the Raju, that is the noun. And here here there is a boy. Okay, it is a noun. Okay, and weak is used to describe about the quality of the noun. Okay, now see types of the adjectives. Okay, quality, adjectives of quality, then adjectives of quantity. Yes, adjectives of numeral or numeral adjectives. Okay, then demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjectives. So these all are the types of adjectives. Okay, so these all are the types of adjective. Okay, quantitative, qualitative, numeral, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, and possessive. Okay, so see now first type, that is quality. Okay, so what is the meaning of qualitative adjectives? Yes, qualitative adjectives is also called the descriptive adjectives. Okay, descriptive, description, descriptive adjectives. Okay, so see a word that describes a noun or pronoun, it's called descriptive adjectives. A word which describes a noun or pronoun is called the descriptive adjective. Okay, so descriptive adjectives are also called the qualitative adjective. See qualitative adjective. Okay, now see examples. Okay, so what is the qualitative adjective? The word. Okay, a word which describing about the quality of a noun. Okay, quality of a noun, that is the qualitative adjectives. Okay, so see I have a fast car. Okay, he has a car means person one, yes, he has a car, but yes, how is the car? The car is fast. Okay, so he has fast car. So see students, fast is the word which is describing about the car. Yes, which is describing about the quality of the car. Okay, the car is fast. Okay, so I have fast car, and fast is adjectives. Okay, now see I am hungry. Okay, so here hungry is describing about the person. Yes, how is the person? The person is hungry. Okay, now see the hungry. Yes, the hungry cats are crying. Okay, so which cat? The yes, the cat who is hungry. Yes, hungry cat. So see here the hungry, the word which is describing about the cats. Okay, now see I saw a flying eagle. Okay, so which eagle? Yes, that flying eagle. Okay, now Ravi is an honest boy. Yes, how is the boy? He is honest. Okay, so see students, Paul is a foolish boy. Okay, so this foolish, honest, flying, hungry, fast, these all words which is describing about the quality of the person, place, things. Okay, so these are the adjective which is describing about the quality of the noun. Okay, now see, these are the qualitative adjective. Now second one, adjectives of quantity. Quantity, yes, how much, how many. Yes, this type belongs to the question category of the how much or how many. Okay, it shows how much of anything is described. It describes how much of the noun is meant. Okay, so see, a quantitative adjectives provide information about the quantity of nouns or pronouns. Quantity of nouns or pronouns. This type belongs to the question category of how much or how many. Okay, let us see the example over here. They have 3 children. Okay, so if you will ask the question, then which question will you ask? How many children? Yes, how many children? So you will get answer 3 children. Okay, so see, this is the this word 3 which is showing the quantity of the children. Okay, so it is the quantitative adjectives. Okay, which is describing about the quantity of noun, that is children. Okay, now see, you should have completed the whole task. Okay, how much task? That is whole task you should have completed. Okay, so see students, whole, yes, whole is a quantitative word. Okay, which is telling about the uncountable noun. Okay, whole, uncountable noun. Okay, which is telling about the noun task. Okay, how much task? That is whole task. Now see, Rave did 2 exercises of maths. Okay, how many exercises? 2 exercises. Okay, then planet Mars has 2 moons. How many moons? 2 moons. Okay, she likes little sugar in the tea. Okay, how much sugar? Little sugar. Okay, now all boy will win the debates. How many boy? All boy. Okay, so see these words: 3, whole, 2, then little, then all. These words are telling about the quantity of a noun. So these are the adjectives of the quantity. Okay, now see third type. It's related with the adjectives of the quantity, and the third type is numeral adjectives or adjectives of number. Okay, so see here, adjectives of number. Okay, it shows how many persons or things are described. Okay, it also shows the order of noun. Okay, a word that modifies a noun by indicating a number, quantity, is called the quantitative adjectives. It can be either cardinal or ordinal. Okay, means first, two, first, second, third. Okay, like that. So see here, examples of the quantitative adjectives. Okay, so he has 40 horses. So see here, what is the difference between the qualitative and quantitative and numeral adjective? So see, quantitative adjectives always used for always used with the uncountable nouns. Okay, but numeral adjectives always shows the number and used with the countable nouns. Okay, so see 40 horses you can count that one horse, two horse, three horse, yes, till 40. So see, he has 40 horses. Okay, so 40, which is 40, this figure is telling about how many horses. Okay, so he has 40 horses. Okay, now see 40 is the numeral adjectives. Okay, I have been standing here for 3 hours. Okay, how many hours? 3 hours. Okay, I have been standing here for 3 hours. So here the 3 is describing about the number. Okay, now see next example. 4 girls were expelled from the school. Okay, so here how many girls? That is 4 girls. Okay, now see the first boy failed in last exam. Yes, which boy? First boy. Okay, not a single boy is in the classroom. Okay, not a single. Now there are 3 boys in play. So students, see here there are some numbers. Okay, 43, 4, first, single. Okay, so but after that the number which is described, okay, describing about the noun, so you can count that noun. Us you can count. Okay, then horses you can count, girls you can count, boys you can count. So see what is the difference between the quantitative and numeral adjective. The difference between the numeral and quantitative adjective is that quantitative adjective used with the uncountable nouns and numeral adjectives always used with the countable nouns. So this is the basic difference between quantitative adjectives and numeral adjectives. Okay, now see next one, next type, demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so see demonstrative adjectives straight away point out the person or things concerned. Okay, means that car, this fan, okay, that man. Okay, so that bicycles, okay, or this bicycle. Okay, that boys, or yes, that boy, or such incident, these speeches, like that they demonstrated the persons or things. Okay, demonstrative adjectives point to which noun or pronoun you are speaking about. Okay, means if you are speaking about that flat, okay, so it's point out which noun or pronoun, means who, yes, which noun or pronouns you are talking about, you are speaking about. Okay, now see these 4 words will help you spot demonstrative adjectives. Okay, means see which 4 words, that is this, that, this, those, and you know that this and that. Okay, which we use for the singular person. Okay, and these and those which we use for the more, yes, it we use for the plural noun. Okay, plural persons. Okay, now see here a demonstrative pronouns work alone. Yes, in the pronoun we also learn that the demonstrative pronoun works alone and does not precede a noun. Okay, but a demonstrative adjective always comes before the word it modifies. Okay, so see here some examples over here. Rajesh has bought that flat. Okay, Rajesh has bought that flat. So see which flat? Yes, here that word is talking about the particular flat. that flat. Okay, so see, Rajesh has bought that flat. Okay, now see, the medical shop is at the end of this lane. Okay, so see here, the that or these words. Okay, yes, these words are talking about the particular place or particular thing. Okay, it's demonstrating that yes, that flat, this lane. Okay, now see, I want to eat those apple. Okay, so see, those apples. Now I don't know who left these cakes. Okay, now see, would you like this bicycle? That car used to be mine. So see, that, these, those, then these, this, that. After that you can see a noun. Okay, so see, demonstrative adjectives always comes before the word it modifies. Okay, so see, before the word it modifies, see the first example over here, that is modifies to the flat. Okay, so see, it's come before the word it modifies. See here. Okay, see here. Yes, student. So demonstrative adjectives always comes before the word it modifies. Okay, so these are the demonstrative adjectives. Okay, now see next type. Interrogative adjectives. Okay, so see, what is the interrogative adjectives? Okay, the word what, which, whose used with the noun to ask the question. Okay, yes, interrogative adjectives are used with the noun to ask question. These words are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, so see here, in adjectives, noun or pronoun is very important because the adjectives always talking about the noun or pronoun. So see, what is the interrogative pronoun? Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with the noun to ask question. Okay, so these words are called interrogative determiners or interrogative adjectives. Interrogate means what? Ask question. Yes, question adjectives you can say. Interrogative means question adjectives. Okay? Interrogative adjectives pose a question, ask a question, frame a question. Yes, they need a noun or pronoun by their side. In this category, be on lookout for these words. Okay, which words? That is what, which, whose. Okay, let's look some examples over here. First one, yes, what color do you want to paint the cottage? So see, the question started with the what. Okay, what color? Okay, so this is the question. Yes, interrogative adjective. Yes, which is what, and it's, yes, this describing about the noun, that is color. Yes, what color, yes, do you want to paint a cottage? So see the first example over here. What color do you want to paint the cottage? Okay, so see, what color? See here, interrogative adjectives are used with the noun to ask question. Okay, so see, what is the interrogative adjective? Okay, but in interrogative adjective we also want noun. Okay, so see, this is the noun, color is a noun. So see, adjective, interrogative adjective which is used with the noun color. Okay, so what color is the interrogative adjective? Now see, which, yes, which kimono do you do you want to order? Okay, whose land are we standing on? Whose land? Now, which color is your car? Okay, what color do you like? Okay, then whose pen is this? Whose pen? Okay, whom did you meet yesterday? So here in the last, yes, whom did you meet yesterday? Okay, so these all are the examples of the interrogative adjective. So what is the interrogative adjective? The adjective which ask a question, but adjectives used with the noun for asking the question, that is the interrogative adjectives. Okay, now see possessive adjectives. Okay, so what is the possessive adjectives? Yes, possessive means what? Possession. Yes, the adjectives expresses the state of possession or ownership of noun. So like my book, my brother, my sister, my father, like that. Okay, means the adjective which is expressing the state of possession or ownership. Okay, so the state of possession or ownership of noun: my, her, his, its, then, or, their, you, because they are used with the noun and do the work of adjectives. When placed before the noun, functions like adjectives, and they qualify the noun directly. Okay, so this is the possessive adjective. Which one? My, your, his, her, or, their, and its. These are the possessive adjectives showing to whom the person or things belong. Okay, to whom the person or thing belongs. Okay, so see possessive adjectives means which is showing the possession or ownership of noun. See here examples: my dog is always barking. Yes, now see my, yes, my dog. So my, this is a, yes, this word is showing the possession over on the dog. My dog. Whose dog? Yes, whose dog? My dog. So see, my dog is my is a possessive adjective which is showing ownership on dog. Ownership of the noun, that is dog. Okay, my dog. Now, where is your book? Okay, so whose book? Your book. So your is the possessive adjectives here. Your. Now her brother is going to New York. Okay, whose brother? Her brother. So here her is also the adjectives which is showing possession over on the brother. Okay, so see my dog, your book, her brother. These are the possessive adjectives. So what is the possessive adjectives? The adjectives express the state of possession or ownership of noun. Means when you talk about the possession, okay, means at the time noun is also very important in the sentence. Okay, so see these are the possessive adjectives. Okay, now next one is the distributive adjective. So what is distributive adjective? Yes, distributive adjective point out specific entities. Okay, the word even, neither, each, every, either. Yes, point to a single number or a person, animals, place, or things, and these words are the distributive adjectives. Okay, these words are the distributive adjectives. Okay, distributive adjectives point out specific entities. They single out a particular noun or pronoun in order to modify or draw attention to it. Notable distributive adjectives include any, each, either, yes, every, neither. So these are the distributive adjective. Every student, okay, every student should bring rupees 10 for the workshop. Okay, now next one, the atlas belongs to neither you nor me. Neither. See, each town has its own mayor. Okay, either you or I will win this race. Like that sentence we always talk. Okay, now see, I don't like any liars. Okay, so see, any liars, any. Yes, this. Yes, any. This is the distributive adjectives. Okay, now see, okay, so see here distributive adjectives. Okay, so second example, don't touch either plant. Okay, don't touch either plant. So either is also a distributive adjective which is talking about the noun plant. Okay, she bought every handbag in that store. Every handbag. Okay, so every is a distributive adjective which is talking about the handbag noun. Okay, now see, I'm also telling you, yes, more examples of the distributive adjective. See, every students. Okay, so see, every students. Yes, this word every which is talking about the students. Okay, so every student. So here every is a distributive adjective. Yes, every student should bring 10 rupees for the workshop. Okay, so this is the distributive adjective which is talking about the, which is describing the students. Okay, now see second one example. Each town. Okay, each town, the word is describing about the each town. Okay, means the word is describing about the noun. Okay, that is town. Okay, so each is the distributive adjectives. Okay, so students, today we have learned about the types of adjective. Okay, first the adjectives of the quality. It is the descriptive adjectives. Okay, it's also called the descriptive adjectives. Okay, adjectives of the quality is also called the descriptive adjectives. Okay, now see second one, adjectives of quantity. Okay, and it's also describing about the quantity of the person, places, or things. Okay, now see numeral adjectives. Okay, it's point out the countable nouns. It's describing the countable nouns. Okay, it's always talk about the countable nouns, that is the numeral adjectives. Okay, now demonstrative adjectives. Okay, yes, it's directly refers to something or someone, and demonstrative adjectives include the words like this, that, this, and those. Okay, now Next one, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are always used with the noun to ask the question. Okay, means which what noun we need to ask the question. Okay, now see possessive adjectives which show the possession or ownership of noun. That is the possessive adjectives. And last one is the distributive adjectives which specify the entities. Okay, so this is the distributive adjectives: any, each, either, every, neither. These are the distributive adjectives. Okay, so these are the types of adjectives. Now see, I'm going to tell you about the suffix, okay, which we use to make the adjectives. Okay, so a suffix is the ending portion of a word. Okay, so see, which we add, yes, which we add to the root word. Okay, but when we add at the end of that root word, when often follows familiar patterns. Okay, in general many English adjectives end with this suffixes. So there are some suffixes which we use to make the adjectives. First one is able or able. Okay, so see examples over here. Adorable. Okay, so see ADOR, okay, ABLE. So see here, able, okay, which we put to the adder and we made the new word that is adorable. Okay, now say invisible, IBLE. See here, IBLE, which we use as a suffix. Okay, responsible. Able also we use for the we use to the response. Okay, response plus able, that is responsible. Comfortable, comfort plus able, that is comfortable. Okay, so able or able we use as a suffix to add, to make the adjectives. Then second one is AL, educational, gradual, illegal. Okay, so these are the suffix. Now an, see the example, American. Okay, now see AR, okay, cellular, popular. Okay, ENT, intelligent. Okay, then FUL, harmful, careful. Okay, so like that. Then IC, then ICAL. Okay, yes, athletic, energetic. Okay, energy plus IC. Okay, now INE, then ILE, then IVE, then LES, less, then OUS. Okay, then SOME, some. So see able, ABLE, IBLE, AL, AN, AR, ENT, FUL, IC or ICAL, INE, ILE, IVE, LES, OUS, SOME. Okay, so these all are the suffix which we always use to make the adjectives. Okay, so this is these are the suffix. Okay, if we make that, if we have to make the adjectives, then at that time we use this suffix and we make the adjectives. Okay, so see, so see here, yes, now we have learned about the suffix which we use to make the adjectives.